braving the awful weather. So we're going to start without Gary. Gary will come shortly. So we'll start with the open mic, and Synn will be our first person to be on. And are you, Neall, and you, or Neall's going to?
We're doing a duet.
A duet with Synn.
I gotta take it. Last time I screwed up. Can you see everything okay?
Yeah.
I wrote a song about angels a long time ago, and something compelled me to play it again, because Neall has a poem about that would fit into the story. And then thinking about coming here tonight, I wrote an introduction, something that I don't quite know what to do with this, so I'll just read it to you, and then we'll go into the song.
Mm-hmm.
Phone. Just my phone.
Not mine. Somebody's got a phone here.
No, it's my phone. This is awkward.
Okay.
It'll just die out.
Yeah.
We have a phone because I can. So what's the name of this song? Or this poem?
I am an angel.
Oh, right. Are you?
We'll see. Allow your mind to journey back to the edge of your conscious memory. This happened when I could not sleep one night. Part of my what I call insomnia dialogues. And okay, I'll start again. Allow your mind to journey back to the edge of your conscious memory, to the beginning of your awareness, motivated by a single willingness to be. A voice is calling for you to listen. If I could but speak to you in the language of light, you would weep with remembrance, for you have remained silent for oh so long that you have forgotten your song. Lonely have you been upon this plain, deep has been your longing to go home. For once you sang a song not yet here found. Let the echoes of the angels awaken in you the cosmic patterns etched in your soul memory. In truth, you have already answered the calling, for it is the very essence of who you are. Only now you are remembering, for you have come to understand your journey of descent, and you can move forward now in life without regret.
Let me add a short moment to that. Find me a place. Find me a place where Mother Earth lives, for I will be happy there. Find me a place where the pine trees whisper their song, and I will be happy there. Find me a place where nature is alive and well, where cool streams flow and stillness prevails, for I will be happy there. Find me a place where winter means snow and cold and crisp, clear, starlit nights. Find me a place where fireweed blossoms in the spring and gentle summer breezes blow. Then bury me in that place, for I will be happy there.
I dream of home last night, somewhere in the sky, where my heart lies. Doorways of light are calling me. I want to spread my wings and fly.
Life gives us doorways, continually offering doorway after doorway to experience after doorway to experience. Constantly offering the chance to leave our current experience, pass through doorways that leaves this experience and enters a new one.
I walk to the sun of the city and saw my world with brand new eyes. A part of me has been altered. The songs of the ancients have been sung.
Some doorways we are delighted to choose, while with others we have no choice but to enter. Still others, in hindsight, give us experiences we would rather not. But all are guaranteed to change over time.
Now my days are full of surprises. A roller coaster ride on a cosmic high. But when my days are finally done, I climb the stairways to heaven.
Loved ones get born through doorways of our doing, and loved ones exit through doorways other than our wanting. Some doors are chosen for good reason. Others were made not in our highest good. The view into every doorway of the past reveals our losses. Every doorway to the future offers the bright light of experience.
When the angels came to earth, all the flowers, they bloom at once. A beauty so magnificent, heaven and earth are as one.
Fires, floods, and time take things from us. Such is the true nature of life. Some doorways bring love and others bring grief. But every new doorway offers the opportunity to create a different vibration, a chance to stop making the same choices over and over again with the expectation of different results.
If you come this way, my friend, let me tell you a simple story. How the angels came to earth, how they returned home.
Find the doorway to yourself, but throw in a lot of love before you enter there. The doorway to your true self is laden with mirrors of our imperfections. The grace of life is that all doorways offer the possibility to add love to the outcome.
I dream of home last night, somewhere in the sky where my heart lies. Doorways of light are calling me. I want to spread my wings and fly.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Very nice.